this is a recall chart. So, principles of joining. Okay. The following principles deal with the joinings of the two forms of S. At the beginning and end of words, the comma S is used before and after FBK, gay. The left S before and after PBRL. Okay. Saves, SAV, right S. Sips, SEP, left S. Series, SERE, left S. 6, SEK, right S. Globes, gay, LOB, left S. Rags, RA, gay, right S. The comma S is used before TDNMO. The left S is used after those strokes. Stones, STON, left S. Solos, right S, OLO, left S. Needs, NED, left S. The comma S is used before and after is, JJ. Sessions, SE, ish, S. Reaches, RE, J, S. Stages, STA, J, S. The comma S is used in words consisting of S and a circle vowel, or S and it and a circle vowel. Say, SA. This, over it, ES. Sit, SE, over it.